Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Ipsy unbox bagging as well as my Sephora play. These are both $10 a month, so I like to do them together and kind of compare and see which was a better deal for the month. We're going to start with Ipsy because I always, as soon as they get them, I throw away the packaging trying to declutter my life a little bit. And the first thing in my Ipsy, because they came outside of it, they are sheet masks from, who are these from? BRTC. And this first one is a vitamin F, a velvet mask, and then I have a vitamin C. I love vitamin C, so I think these will be really interesting to try. I've never heard of vitamin F. I have no idea what it's supposed to be. So if you know anything about it, let me know down below because that's something very different. This is what this month's bag looks like. The past couple months, they felt a little cheaper in quality than they have in the past. So that kind of disappoints me, but it's a cute one with the little lashes. And let's pull out what's inside. As always, they have these little cards that are pretty worthless. The question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. So I don't know, they're pretty worthless. The first thing in here is sticking out a little bit as soon as I put my hand in there, and it is a brush, and this is from Lexie Brushes. This is a 110, and this says good night, and it says DC, so I'm assuming it's one of the DC brushes that they did. I know it is not the Wonder Woman because it is not part of the set, and it doesn't match my Wonder Woman brushes that I have. This is kind of an interesting brush because it's really wide and flat. I'm not really sure what you would use this for. I need to do some investigating, but let me know if you have ideas of how you would use it. Next in here is from Elizabeth Mott. I've gotten several things from Elizabeth Mott over the past couple years from Ipsy, and this one is Thank Me Later, a mattifying face primer. So that's interesting. I have so many primers I'm trying to get through. I finally got through one today and I was so excited. Next is from Trusteek. I've gotten some things from them before. This is a mini lip glaze in Mumbai Magenta. And that is the shade. That's a really pretty shade. It's very sheer though. Even going back and forth several times, that is what it looks like. So it definitely is a lip glaze. I've never heard of a lip glaze, but it makes sense to me now. And then finally in here is something from M Princess, and it is a eyeshadow in the shade Pretty Petal. Looks like I need to take the tape off of it. And it's a loose, I'm going to leave it in there because the safety seal is on there, and that will make it a lot easier to take care of. But that's what it is. It's a really pretty pink shade. But I have so many eyeshadows open right now that I don't want to open another one. So overall, Ipsy, interesting. We're going to go to Sephora Play next. I already took the Sephora Play card off, put it in my wallet because that's what I do is immediately when I open it. This is a weird bag for me this month. I heard that they were going to do something that was supposed to be TSA friendly, but I don't really know. But it also says it's recyclable, but I don't know where you would recycle this because it's so hard to recycle plastics right now because of the things that are going on in China. So I don't feel like it's really a recyclable bag. And I can't imagine taking this to TSA. Have any of you taken a bag like this to TSA? Let me know. The first thing I pulled out of here is something from Nude Sticks. This is an intense matte lip and cheek pencil. Let's try to get this one open and see what the shade is. It looks promising. It has kind of a peachy light color. Oh, that is really pretty. Oh, I was not expecting it to be that. That's a great color. Really practical color. So that makes me happy. That's a good start. We're gonna pull out this next. This is from Peter Thomas Roth. It is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. That is a lot of words. It's not quite full, but a lot of the time these are based on weight and not on like the size of the packaging. But I've had really good results with most of the Peter Thomas Roth. The mud mask, Irish Moor Mud Mask, is my favorite mask of all time. I'm getting another primer next. This is from Too Faced. It is the Hangover RX primer. This is an okay primer. I've used it before and I like it fairly well. I thought about buying it during the 21 Days of Beauty sale, but I did not, and I'm kind of glad because I got a little one of it now. Next is from Sunday Riley, and I love Sunday Riley. I have really good experience with products that I've tried so far. This is a Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. It does have a weird smell. Like, that's the one thing I don't like about Sunday Riley is they usually have an interesting smell to them. But that is what it looks like. Got two more in here. Next is from Sephora. It's a Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. And I have been going like through mascara like crazy, trying to find ones that I actually like. So before, when I couldn't even, like, I had a huge makeup bag full of mascaras. I'm down to one drawer of ones that I have to try that I haven't used yet, and then ones that I actually like. So I'm very happy that I'm getting through them, because if you watch my mascara collection and declutter, it was huge. It was ridiculous. I had so many of them. So that is what it looks like. I'm not going to take it out because I don't know when will use it. I'm liking the mascara I've been wearing the past few days. It's actually like staying on my lashes and not transferring or irritating my eyes. I found some that stayed pretty well, but my eyes were constantly like, it irritated my eyes. That is what the wand looks like too, just so you can get a look at it. And then we'll pick out the final thing in here. It is from Viktor and Rolf. I really like the bonbon set that I have. This is Flower Bomb Nectar, which I haven't heard of. I kind of want a flower bomb, but they are pricey. This is not a cheap perfume by any means. Let's spray it. The top note has, sometimes some of the top notes smell a little licorice-y to me, and they're not my favorite, but once they settle down, I like them better. That will be an interesting one. I'm going to have to put that in my Sample Saturday series. So let's look and see which one was a better deal this month, or if I liked both of them. I'm happy to have gotten skincare from Sunday Riley and Peter Thomas Roth. I think those are both really good, so I'm excited about those. This lipstick color is like perfect. Actually something I will wear, so I'm really kind of excited about that. Do you sharpen these though? I've never used a nude stick. Do you sharpen them? And if so, do you have a sharpener that you recommend for them? Especially if you get the full size, like how do you do that? Or is it just that little nub that you get to use? This is a pretty good primer. I don't know, I'm kind of over getting primers because I have so many of them. It seems like we get them a lot. Perfume, I'm glad to have a new perfume that I have not tried. That's always awesome. And a mascara, I'm not quite as mad about mascaras right now because I've gotten through them. So Sephora I feel was pretty good, but Ipsy I feel was just a little better. I got 2 sheet masks, which are always awesome to get. I'm always happy to get full-size products. And then I also got a brush. So that's like 2 full-size products. This is a pretty shade. I need to start using my singles though. This is an interesting, like, I think it's pretty. So it kind of reminds me of the Chubby Stick. These are okay. I'm going to say it's a tie for me. I need you guys to tell me which one you liked better. If you liked Sephora or Ipsy. I think they were both a pretty good value this month, in all honesty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would love to hear what you got in your Sephora and Ipsy, or if you get them or why you don't get them. I hope you are all having a fantastic week. If you have not subscribed already, if you wouldn't mind hitting subscribe, it would mean so much to me. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.